Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear students. So another tutorial on programming in Python. This is a continuation of the previous tutorial that we had, in which we explained the use of while loop statement. Okay, and here we're going to solve one of the examples that you have in your NetAcad account. Sorry, and the level of it is easy. But before we start, we just need to remember the three conditions that we told you that you should have in your loop statement, which is at the beginning you should have an initial value, and then you should have a condition. This condition is called a stop condition sometimes because it's going to cause the loop to stop, and then you have to change the value inside the loop. Okay, so this should be inside the loop and this should be outside the loop. Okay, and we already discussed this in the previous tutorial. So we have this problem here. Sorry, we have a magician. He picked a number, a secret number, and he wants everyone to run the program, which is called guess the secret number game. So you're gonna run the program. Basically, this is the problem. You have a secret number selected by somebody, and then there is a program. It's gonna ask you to enter a number. If the number is wrong, it's gonna ask you again, and it's gonna keep asking you forever until you guess the right number. If you guess the right number, you're gonna exit the loop, and then you are going to see a congratulation message. Okay, so basically let's just write this down here. So we have a secret number. Okay, basically this is not our input or our initial value. Okay, we are gonna ask the user to input a number. So ask the user to enter a number in, okay, sorry, number, and then this is our initial value. So we are gonna go here, just click the red, and this is going to be initial value. Okay, and then we are going to go through the loop here. We're going to say while the stop condition is the number does not, if the number is not equal the secret number, we are going to we're going to go inside the loop here, inside loop. This is the problem. So if this is true, we are going to go here. This is if it's true. If it's false, we are going to go outside. Sorry for the drawing, it's bad basically. But if it is false, we are going to go here. This is if it is false. Okay, so this is the condition. Let me change it to red. So this is the condition, and enter a number as the initial value, and then here we need to change the value. How we are going to change it? We are going to ask the user to enter a value again. So here we are going to say again, one more time, enter a number. So now we have three statements as we learned before. An initial value, that's gonna, which is the number we're going to start with, and then the stop condition. The condition will continue to go inside the loop while the number does not equal the secret number. If they are equal, which means this condition is going to be false, you're going to go outside. Outside, you're going to write a message. Congratulations, you solved the game, you finished the game. So basically, I am going to copy this to my IDLE. Okay, I will start a new file. Let's just make it a little bit smaller, and then we're going to paste it here. This is the code already. This code is already written by Python. I'm going to save it. Again, it's going to be saved. I can save it anywhere. Let's just name it secret number game. Sorry, there is an R missing, and I'm going to just make this caps. Secret number missing. Anyway, so the initial value is going to be this. I'm going to talk about this print later on. So first of all, we're going to say number or any variable, any valid variable name equals input. We need to ask the user to enter a number, okay? And then before we continue to the while, we need to change this number into an integer because we need to work with numbers basically. And then we're going to write our while statement. While. Now why we use while from the first place? Because the scenario says that the user must continue entering, or the program must continue asking the user to enter a number until a condition fulfills or a condition becomes true. So to get inside the while, it should be true. To go outside, it should be false. So the true here is number is not equal secret number, and this variable is this variable here that we already defined. We defined, oh, the program defined it by default 777. We can change it. So if they are not equal, which is true, we are going to go inside the loop. We're going to say what? Print a message. We are going to copy it from the netacad, and then we are going to change the value in order to cause the loop to quit at some point. Okay, so we're going to just repeat this. We're not going to say x equal x plus 1 or minus 1 or anything. Again, don't forget, we said the change statement. This should change the value of the loop, which is this, and we're going to change it. We're going to enter a different value. Okay, and now let's trace it. We are going to enter a number, and then we go here to the while. Number not equal secret, it's true. Then we print, oh, we are sorry, you are stuck in the loop, and then we ask him to enter another number, and we go check again. If it's true, which means they are not equal, we are going to do this and do this and do this forever until we enter a number that matches this. In this case, when they are equal, this condition will be false. Then we go outside. So outside, what we are going to do, basically, we are going to print the secret number is comma number, because we find it already, and then we print a statement that we are going to get from netacad from here. You see, it's mentioned here, ha ha ha, you are stuck in my loop. This is if the number is wrong, but if the number is correct, we're going to say, well, we're going to print the number. You see, the number should be printed on the screen, and the magician should say the following words: well done, Muggle, you are free now to go, or you are free, whatever. Okay, let's just put point here. So this is our program. Let's try it. Control S. I'm going to save it. F5. You see, enter a number. I'm going to write wrong number for sure. Haha, you are stuck in my loop. Enter another number. Something different. Haha, you are stuck in my loop. Enter another number. You see, you can try forever. You are gonna stuck inside the loop until you do this. You enter the secret number, and this is the game. If you made a correct guess, then the secret number is 777. Well done, Muggle, you are free now. Okay, so this was the example. Now let's just quickly review it. We said we use a while if we want to repeat a statement several times, and we are here repeating this. Okay, we need to keep asking the user to enter a number until we get a correct guess. Okay, so we have to use a while because we have a statement that should be executed several times. We said with while we should have three statements: initial value, a condition, and a change statement. And in our example here, we have an initial value, which is a number. We didn't say a number equals 5 or 4 or 1 or 0. We asked the user to enter a number. Basically, it's an initial value. And then this is our stop condition. When this condition is true, we go inside the loop. When this condition is false, we go outside the loop. So if the number is not equal or does not equal secret number, which is true, we go here. Haha, enter again. So enter again is the change statement, just like x equal x plus 1 that we discussed in the previous tutorial. and then we're going to continue keep doing this until we change it to something that makes this false, in which they have to be equal in order to be for the condition to be false, and then we go outside, and that's it. It is a very easy tutorial, again a very easy example, sorry. Basically you just need to understand the problem. Again, if you understand the problem, you're going to be okay. Now, one last thing before we finish the tutorial. What about this print? Why we have three double quotations? Okay, now if you want to use print to print as a message like this, which has multi-line or more than one line, several lines, you need to use, instead of one single or one double quotation, three double quotations, and it's mentioned here. You see, by the way, the way we have used there is called multi-line printing. You can use triple quotes to print strings on a multi-line. So if you want to write a multi-line, you need to use triple quotes instead of one quote. And that's it for today. And basically, sorry, before we finish, we can change this. For example, let's consider that I'm the magician. I'm gonna say the secret number is 100, which is a very easy secret number. I guess, you see, you can guess from the beginning. I can just say directly 100, and that's it. I'm not gonna go to the loop from the first place, because directly this is going to be false. I'm going to go outside. So I didn't go the loop even once. Okay, and this is totally fine. Again, I'm going to enter a wrong number minus. If you enter a string, it's going to generate an error, but now 100. Okay, well done. Thank you very much for your listening. I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's it for while statement. In the next tutorial, we're going to continue explaining the loop, but this time we're going to speak about for. Until I see you in the next tutorial, have a good day and good luck.